and welcome. Today, or this week, I've got 2 months worth of Curiology because I've been a bit lazy and I've let them accumulate. The first month is November's, I think. Yeah, November's. Forgive me because I haven't got my glasses on. As we are at the time of the year in the northern hemisphere where the days darken, the temperature drops, we begin to turn inwards to contemplation and seek guidance to move us onwards onto the next year. I can't say those words. Version on. I'll just open it, shall I? What the devil? Oh, wasn't expecting that. Ah, ooh, I shouldn't have done that. It's a mirror and I've just looked at myself. Ooh, bit shocking. With the moon on the mirror. Oh, it's beautiful. That'll fit perfect in my handbag. And the necklace is, it's another one of those. If there's one complaint I've got, the necklaces are beautiful, but this one type of necklace with the ribbon on, the ribbon never it doesn't stay in that hoop. So I don't know whether the ribbon is meant to be in the hoop or meant to be worn out of the hoop, because it doesn't look right out of the hoop, if you see what I mean, it just doesn't look right. I shouldn't complain, but I'll be honest, see, it just doesn't look right. I'll show it on my neck in a minute. It is a beautiful necklace. It's the moon and stars. I'll put it on and I'll show you what I mean by it doesn't look right. Maybe it's me. And it's a major thing when you've got hair as long as mine trying to get a necklace on. See, it just doesn't look right. Don't know whether it's supposed to be in it or not. It just doesn't lie right. And the pin is the sun, funnily enough. It's a really pretty pin. And then we move on to December's. Really happy with the mirror. It's Christmas! It's Christmas! December. Time to wind down, rest up. Ready for the good things from the year. Happiness is found in the darkest of times. If we only remember to turn on the light. We hope that Anyway, I'll have a look at this one. I never read them out very well, I'll be honest. Oh, Christmassy! Christmassy! Wear this on Christmas Day. I'll not be going anywhere. If I could wear it on Christmas Day. Oh, that's so sweet. It's a little Christmas cauldron. Oh, that's so sweet. And a snowflake. Blue snowflake. Oh, they're beautiful. And as well as those from Curiology, I've got some boots to show you. Got them. They're in like a very deep burgundy colour. I got them from Next, the Joe Browns. And they've got ribbon, lace up detail and a zip at the side. And I was looking for a pair like this. Couldn't find them anywhere and found them on Next. Well, I could find some pairs, but they were always sold out in my size. And I found these in Next. So I'll put them on and let you see what they look like on. But I think they're lovely. And I've also got this belt to go with one of my long skirts. Not this skirt, but I will put it on with this skirt, but it's not the skirt I bought it for. I bought this skirt, this belt to go with, well, I found out how to fix it, to go with like the Victorian type gothic skirt. Because I thought it looked really nice. So I will try it on in the future with the skirt that I'll show you what it will really look like when I get the skirt that I want as well, if you know what I mean. And I've got this skirt. Well, it's got a bit of a story. I ordered it from Amazon thinking it was a skirt. When it came, I found out it was a wrap over. The only problem, it only wraps over by that. So it's like sort of, you couldn't really decently go out and wear it. The story with this skirt, like I said, I thought it was like a skirt. Turns out it's a wrap that doesn't fasten at the middle. See photos at the end because it looks really nice over the skirt that I'm wearing. It's lots of layers of, I think it's taffeta silk sort of material, or man-made taffeta silk. It doesn't actually tell you on the list of what it's made of. In fact, it doesn't even tell you where it was made, and it doesn't tell you who made it or anything. It just says dry clean only. Way to go. And the top bit, oh sorry, the bottom bit has 1, 2, 3 ruffles. And the top is fake leather with a brass buckle, and you can tighten it or loosen it up to 3 times. It's got 3 loops. It's got 3 loops and a brass buckle. And it actually does feel like brass, not plastic, and it actually goes really nice over this black skirt that I'm wearing. now I know I can get some wear out of it, I'm glad to say. But be very, very careful when you buy, if you ever buy anything from Amazon marked Gothic. But I love it. I do like it a lot now. I hope you're having a brilliant time running up to Christmas. I've just started sort of my run up to Christmas. Almost finished ordering stuff. Almost. I'm sort of just starting to enjoy Christmas. Anyway, thank you. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much for listening to us. Thank you. Bye.